My name is Habiba Myers, and I am a sales master. Also, I'm health administrator for 15 years, but I've been in healthcare for 17 years. And I am happy today to share some of the products with you today. I hope that each one of you will take some information, and whoever is new here today, like Ahmed for example, he may have a chance to try one of our products, and then I guarantee that you will love the product. So to start with, I will start with Hemohim, but before that, I cannot go through all the products, but I can only share a couple products with you. But we do have like seminars every month, and also we have training every Monday. Also, if you have any questions, we can help you, or I can answer some of the questions after the seminar. This is my #1 product. I love this product. This product actually changed my health, changed my well-being, and I live now a better quality of life than I have before. With this product, I come off the insulin, and it changed my life. And I will give you a little background about this product. So a lot of people, they ask me, what does Hemohim mean? So Hemo means hemoglobin. H means hematopoiesis, which is the creation of red cells. I means immune, and M means modulation. This product is patent. It's patent for immune. It's patent for cancer, anti-cancer. It's patent for hematopoiesis, and also for antioxidants. This is the best antioxidant product. So how does it function? So, I always say this example. So when you go camping, you always have to start, you start big fire, but if you want to start another new healthy fire, so you have to actually get rid of ashes, am I right?
Yes.
So this is how Hemohim does. Hemohim goes in, you take it, it goes into your system, and then it goes and it finds where deficiencies are. Because we all have some deficiencies in our immune system, but sometimes we don't know what they are. Only when we do some testing, that's when we know about these deficiencies. So it works, so it goes and it protects our NK cell vitality. NK cells are actually, that's what protects our body from all the pathogens, and it protects our body from free radicals. That's where our immunocytes actually get produced in the bone marrow. So Hemohim goes in, protects the NK cells to create a very healthy immune system. It enhances the cytokine production. Cytokine is actually the cells. Our body is made of cells. So if these cells don't communicate, it's like someone who speaks French and someone who speaks Arabic. If they don't communicate, so what happened? There is a miscommunication, so everybody goes crazy, nobody understands, there is frustration, there is everything. This is what happened to our cells in our body. So if these cells don't communicate with each other, then they don't know what to do, and that's when our immune system goes down, so it suppresses. So the Hemohim goes and corrects that to where our system it enhances our immune system to stay alert, and also it helps us fight any viruses that comes around or any diseases. It's like a shield it shields our immune system. I would recommend this product. We are always gonna get sick, and our kids, when they go to school, our coworkers around us, they always carry viruses, but we don't know exactly how, we can protect our immune system, but we have a product that can do that. And originally it was created by the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute, which stands for KERI. These scientists, they were exposed to radiation. So it was funded by the government. It took them 8.5 years to make this product. It took 15 PhDs and 30 staff members to do this product, and they use all local product. I love this product. And I think if you have friends or family, this is the best product. And then it keeps you younger. It keeps your immune system younger. So the next favorite product is ginseng. And these two products actually go hand to hand. The reason being is because This one also helps with the immune system, but our product, Atomy's product, has 20 milligram of genocides that you can't find nothing in the market that's closer to that. It's always 1%, 1 milligram, or 3 milligram. This is 20 milligram. This product, I love this product. This is my go-to product in the afternoon. You know, if you work or you have family, you always get tired. So you need something that will keep you, that would help you to continue your day. So it enhances your immunity as well. It fights fatigue, and it's for the people also that they're worried that they might have some memory loss. It actually helps you with your forgetfulness, and sometimes you can't recall things. And us, the moms, most of the time, where are my keys? Where's my purse? Sometimes, and it happened to me, like, I'm having the phone on my ears, and then I'm like, what is my phone? Like, oh, I forgot, I'm talking to the phone. So because we stay busy in life, and then we do so many things that we forget that, oh my gosh, that actually mess up our neurotransmitters. So I would recommend this product, especially for diabetes. For diabetic patients, they get like circulatory problems like neuropathy, and for hypertension as well, like people with high blood pressure. This is the best product, and actually they can take it. You can take it orally. You can dilute it with water, with warm water or cold water. You can do it both ways. And I want to mention something over here. I want to talk about how this company is actually the best company, because they're so generous. Let me tell you, he upped the point value in this product, and he did not change the price. And also, Mr. JungAe Pak, when he finds a way to add more product to the bottles, he adds more product to the bottles, and he does not even charge more. He leaves everything the same. This is a company with integrity. And I love the fact that it's all about consumers and us as well, to help us, reach our goals. Another favorite product is Atomy probiotics. We all have to eat. We can't do without food. But when our GI is messed up, because we're always gonna eat sweets. Some people, they're always gonna drink beer. Sometimes they're gonna drink wine. We're always gonna come across bad water. We're always gonna use, sometimes if we're around somewhere, we're gonna use bad antibacterial soap. So all these things, even pollution in the air, can mess up our probiotics. But the only way we can protect our health is by taking one of these. Our probiotics are very, very important because they help us absorb the food. So if we don't know how, if our body does not know how to absorb that, then it's fatal to our health. So it is imperative to keep our probiotics healthy, because they cover 50% of our GI system. So when they're low, we get problems. We have constipation, for example. Our bowels are not moving, and when we don't get rid of that waste, I mean, our health just goes down, and we start developing, more symptoms. I can't go to the details because I need to, so. But our probiotics, it has 3 billion good bacteria, and it can prevent you from taking sweet yogurts that actually hurts more your probiotics, and it has 10 types of mixed lactobacilli. So it is very, very, very healthy. It is very affordable, and I can guarantee you that you would not find any probiotics cheaper than Atomy's probiotics. That's made with high technology, and it was searched with a great scientist. And another one of my favorite products, I take all these products, and I'll tell you, I guarantee that if you take them, you will stay healthy and you will have no regrets. Our liver we tend to forget most of the time about our liver. And our liver is the largest organ internally. So, when you eat, let's say, for example, ice cream. So it has a lot of, it's processed food, and it's high in fructose. All the fructose that your body does not know what to do with, it goes to your liver. If you eat a regular sugar, like fruit sugar or something like that, your body knows what to do with it. So it will break it down faster. But when you eat processed food, and when you drink a lot of soda and stuff like that, it goes to your liver, and then your liver gets larger and larger, and then you end up with fatty liver. But we can help our liver to stay healthy and filter the food with these 2 herbs, and they are the best herb. And this is also very affordable. You can take 1 a day or 2 a day. But every one of our products, actually, it tells you the intake, because they research and they say what would benefit you and the amount that would benefit you when you do the intake. Another good product, which is the omega-3, and I will tell you why this product is the best in the market. You cannot find any product like this in the United States, as far as I researched. I am always, cautious about brain, vision, heart, and joints. And this is what this product does. It protects your brain, because the DHA, and you know that 10 years ago, they start recommending moms, or 12 years, they start recommending to moms that they need to start adding the omega-3 to their regimen when they're pregnant, because they noticed that a lot of kids, they're born with brain deficiencies, some health issues, vision, also ADD, ADHD, so they start advising these parents to do this. But omega-3 can prevent you from having a lot of vision problems. Especially, I can't say terminology, but it helps your vision, and also it helps your brain. They found out that, like with the EPA deficiencies, even for Dr. Hall with Mayo Clinic did a huge research, and he found out that in teenagers and also in adults, when they have deficiency in EPA, they have depression. They develop depression, and you know how hard it is to actually cure depression. Sometimes you move from one medication to another, and sometimes you develop different symptoms as well like that. So this lack of omega-3 or of EPA can actually, affect your body. And a lot of people, they don't know, and especially we can help our baby boomers, 1940, 1960 right now, they're aging. Most of them are developing chronic problems and knee problems, but if we advise them now to take the omega-3, they might not even need to have a knee replacement surgery. And Dr. Joseph Monroe, he was a neurologist, and also he quoted that if I knew what I knew before about the omega-3, they told him he was a runner, so he used to do marathons. And he had knee problems, so he started talking to his other doctors' colleagues, and they told him that he has to do knee surgery. And he started searching and searching and searching, and he found out that actually, if he takes a huge amount of the omega-3, and the pure one, like we have, and that's what I say, this is the best, because it's over 65% EPA and DHA. That he does not even have to have surgery. So he didn't have surgery, he come off on all the anti-inflammatory products, and he actually has his line right now of the omega-3, and he believes that over 65 and higher, it's the best product. And we have the best product. It's small, it's made with pollock fish, so it doesn't, when you buy omega-3 over the counter or with any other company, as soon as you open the bottle, you get nauseous from the smell of different oils, because they mix tuna with sardines and then all the other fish. So before you even take it, you're like, ooh, that smells, and then you just close the bottle back. I did it, so I don't know if you guys did it or not. So with this one, there is no smell, because now we use the highest technology, which is gamma ray technology, to get rid of the smell and the poison and the impurities. So, and it's easy to swallow, and you don't burp it as much. And then to have 65, and sometimes when you have 65 and higher EPA and DHA, sometimes you have to buy 2 packets, one of them that has EPA and one of them that has DHA, and you have to take more to reach this number. Now you just take 2 with Atomy, and the price is very affordable. Another product that we need, and as now the winter time coming, so we have to, that our body does not make it, so, and it's water soluble, so a lot of patients, or a lot of people, make sometimes a lot of mistakes, because the recommended dose is 100 milligram, but this is 500 milligrams. So that means that you don't need to look for orange juice. You don't need to look for other, product that would give you the vitamin C, because we're supposed to get vitamin C from fruits and from vegetables, but sometimes when you use them wrong, or even when you cook the vegetables, sometimes you actually burn all the nutrients from that vegetable. So we don't guarantee that we're getting what we need from the food and the fruits, because if any chemicals is there, so there is no balance. But with this Atomy vitamin C, it's 500 milligram. It is a good dose, but not only that, it has 7 types of color food. So it is very healthy for you to have it, because the vitamin C helps actually to the body to produce some of the vitamins, like for example, or hormones like serotonin, for example, and that's the happy hormone. So it does help, create that in our body. I would recommend you to use that. Well, I can't say enough about this product, but I'm going to say just what you guys need. This is my second favorite best product. I actually started using the 6 system, but when I started using this, I'm like, oh my gosh, that's it. I'm like, I will spend money to use this product. This works almost like Hemohim. It works almost like Hemohim. And I want to mention something. Our product, they're not like any other product, because it's not made by a regular company. It's researched, it's made with high science. So when you talk about this product, when you try to even talk to your consumers, you know that you're selling the best quality product, or actually sharing. So this Absolute product is made with 4 technologies: high purification technology, fresh herb extraction biotechnology, fermentation technology, multiple capsulation delivery technology. So I'm going to go through each one of them. So with the high purification technology, as I mentioned, that Atomy uses the gamma ray technology, which every plant has poison, odor, impurities, and color. So they use the technology to get rid of all those things, and they come up with the product that's clear. Okay? So they use fresh herbs. They harvest the herbs within 24 hours, and they extract the nutrients from these herbs, because you know that if you want to get the nutrients from the herbs, they have to be fresh, because that's how you get the best antioxidants and the best nutrients from the herbs. So you see with other companies, no, that's the pointer, okay. Oh, I can point.
Yeah.
But yeah. So with other companies, you see how they basically have the herbs, but you can see that they're dry already. And then by the time when they extract all the nutrients from them, then they're drier even more. But with Atomy product, you see how they harvest, like the fresh herbs, and then even after the extraction, they're still hydrated, they're still fresh. And then look after the final product. You can't find any company that would do that. Most of the companies, they have to use synthetic product to get to this. And that's why their products are more expensive and unhealthy. So our body usually produces the amino acid, but with this technology, fermentation technology, what they're using, instead of them using animal product, they're using plant product to get the most enzymes and the most of the amino acids that helps the elasticity of the skin, and also it helps the aging of the skin. And the nutrients cream is one of the product that actually has this. And when you use it, I guarantee you'll be very happy with it. So multiple capsulation delivery technology. This is a patent, technology. I'm sorry. This is a patent technology. So when we say multiple capsulation, that means that it goes deeper into the skin, and then it releases. It's still within 70 hours. It still releases all the nutrients into the skin. So another 2 technologies, which is the material absolute code. So they figure out a way to add fresh herbs, very healthy fresh herbs, without adding any synthetic product or without adding any other product. So they added more good herbs that actually stop the aging of the skin. Okay, so this is de-aging product. And then the absolute delivery technology. So this is why I said this product is like Hemohim. Hemohim goes into our immune system and corrects the deficiencies. This right here with this technology, it goes into our skin, it scans it, and then it finds where it needed to be, like if there is any damage or any, discoloration and stuff, and then it goes in deeper into that tissue, and then it corrects it inside out, okay? And the absolute plus point, these two herbs are very, very expensive. We all know that green tea is an antioxidant product, and it stops the aging of the skin, and it also gets rid of all the wrinkles and stuff like that. And they're using this tube, and when you use the absolute, you have that very nice fragrance. So it's from the tuberose, and tuberose actually, these two plants are very expensive, but tuberose is antiseptic. So let's say there is any damage in the skin or there is any infection. This is between these two products and the combination of these two products, you will get rid of that, okay? Finally, I had to conclude my presentation with this because I'll tell you something, I can't drink black coffee. When I used to drink black coffee or just try it, my heart rate goes up. It speeds very fast. So when I tried, it was one time at the center. I can't remember. I think Julie probably gave me one of the black coffee, and she's like, "Just try it." So I go home and I try it. I didn't have those symptoms anymore, and I like the fact that I didn't have those symptoms. And I used this. I used it for when I try to get off the insulin, like in the morning and in the afternoon. It gives me energy, it keeps my mind focused as well, and it doesn't have the aftertaste. This is the best black coffee, and I will recommend it to everyone. So this concludes my introduction to product. I hope that everyone enjoyed the seminar today. I wish you guys a success, and you guys have a very good rest of the evening. Thank you.